Hi everybody, in this session I would like to discuss about NAND gate and NOR gate and exclusive OR gate. In our previous session we discussed about logic gates which are nothing but AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. In this session first we will discuss about NOR gate. Okay, here this NOR gate is constructed by NOT gate and NOR gate. This NOR gate is constructed by NOT gate and OR gate. NOT gate and OR gate. Students, this NOR gate is constructed by NOT gate and OR gate. Here OR gate is followed by NOT gate, then we have NOR gate. Here this OR gate followed by NOT gate, we have NOR gate. We have NOR gate. This NOR gate, OR gate is followed by NOT gate, we have NOR gate. So here we considered first OR gate. We know the OR gate. Consider the two input OR gate. Here A and B are inputs for OR gate, and this is followed by a NOT gate. Then the output from these two inputs of the OR gate, we have x is equal to nothing but a plus b. So this output of OR gate which is followed by NOT gate, then we have the output which is nothing but x is equal to a plus b whole bar. Here whatever the output from OR gate which is followed by this NOT gate, then we have the output totally x is equal to a plus b whole bar. It means the NOR gate symbol is nothing but a NOR ring followed by this NOR ring followed by a bubble which gives the NOR symbol, So the symbol for OR gate which is nothing but, here the two inputs are AB which are from the operation of OR, it is followed by a bubble which is nothing but NOT operation. Then we have x is equal to a plus b whole bar. So the circuit symbol for NOR gate which is nothing but this one. This is the circuit symbol for NOR gate. Here this OR gate which is followed by NOT gate, we have this NOR gate. So here the switches diagram for this NOR gate is, we can draw as follows. The switches diagram for NOR gate is be as follows. We draw switches diagrams for OR gate, NOT gate and AND gate in the morning session. So here we consider that the switches diagram for this NOT gate. Here for voltage giving, we always construct a battery in the circuit, and which is the output is across the bulb, and also here the two switches which are connected in here parallel. So for this we construct the diagram as follows. Nothing but switch A and switch B which are connected in parallel. As follows. This is switch A and this is switch B. So the equivalent circuit which is nothing but switches diagram for NOR gate is as follows: A switch and B switch. Here these two switches are in open, then only the output here we get. As by explaining this, we can consider the truth table for NOR gate. The truth table for NOR gate is nothing but, here NOR gate we have two or more inputs, so we consider two input NOR gate. So for this the truth table is nothing but inputs which are giving here and outputs we have obtained as here A, B. We consider the inputs. Here we know the binary numbers are considered as input variables 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So we consider these 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1 as binary inputs for this NOR gate. Then the operation of NOR gate, which is nothing but we have A plus B. We know OR gate is which is nothing but A plus B, and NOR is nothing but A plus B whole bar. So first we are doing OR operation. So we have 0, 0. It means we are explaining this as 4 cases. In case 1, we considered the variable A input as 0 and variable B input as 0. So we know the output which is nothing but A plus B whole bar. So we have 0 plus 0, it means 0. So next we have A plus B. Here we can write it A plus B whole bar. So A plus B whole bar 0 bar, it means 1. It means here the output is nothing but 0, 0, 1. So here these two switches are in open state. These two switches are open state. It means 0, 0 means these two switches are open. Then automatically here we have the bulb is in on state. It means the bulb is glowing. The bulb is glowing. Whenever we are observing in the circuit bulb is glowing, it means the output is in high logic level state. It means here we giving the input is low logic level. So here the NOR gate which is followed by nothing but OR gate followed by NOT gate, then we have NOR gate. So the output is which is nothing but we condition here taking is the inputs which are 0, 0, then we have getting the output which is high logic level by this operation. Okay, next we going for the second case, which is case 2. Here case 2 A as 0 and B as 1. In this case here also we have A plus B. So we have nothing but 0 plus 1, we know 1. So A plus B whole bar, it means 1 bar, it means 0. Then we have the output which is nothing but 0. It means here switch A which is in open state and switch B which is in closed state. So whenever this is in closed state, here we having the output as 0 low logic level. It means here the switch A is open but switch B which is in closed, here current is conducting but the bulb is not glow because this is NOR gate or followed by NOT gate. Then we have NOR gate operation. In this state the bulb is not glown, it means which is in off state, which is in low logic state. Then we have the case 3. I hope you are following this NOR gate by these 4 cases. So case 3 which is about here A is 1 and B is 0. A is 1, B 0. It means we know the operation which is binary addition for 1 plus 0 we have as 1 the output. Here the NOR gate which is nothing but A plus B whole bar 1 bar. Then we have also 0. It means here A is in on switch A and switch B which is in closed condition, and also 0 we getting in previous case. Here A is in open and B is closed in the same condition and A is closed and B is open. Here also the same condition is occurring. So we have the output is in low logic level in the similar manner. Here a bulb is not glown in the circuit. Then we observing that in case 3 1 0 we considering here the output is in low logic level, bulb is not glowing. And next we go for fourth case. In this case we have A value which is 1 and B value which is 1, the variables value. It means A in high logic level and variable B is in also high logic level. Then A plus B we have which is nothing but 1 plus 1, we have 1. We know the binary addition for 1 plus 1, we have 1. Here the operation is NOR operation. A plus B whole bar, we have 1 bar is equivalent to 0. So here the considering two inputs which are A is 1 and B is 1, two variables, we also getting the output which is nothing but 0. It means these two switches are in closed, current is flowing through the circuit, then also we having the low input. It means bulb is not glowing in the circuit which is in the low logic level. It means bulb is not glowing means here the circuit which is in having the inputs are high but the output is low. So from this NOR gate truth table we concluding that here only the inputs are low, then only the output is in a high logic level. It means the bulb is glowing only in one case only, whenever both the inputs are 0 only, here the output having high value which is nothing but in the first case A0, B0. It means whenever we considering the two inputs are in low logic level only, we are having the output as in high condition, which is bulb glowing in the high condition. Okay, I hope you are following this NOR gate. This NOR gate which is said to be universal gate because from this NOR gate we construct the basic logic gates. What are the basic logic gates? We know AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These three gates are said to be logic gates. So these logic gates are constructed by using this NOR gate, and hence NOR gate is said to be a universal gate. NOR gate is said to be a universal gate. Why NOR gate is said to be universal gate? Because the basic logic gates. What are the basic logic gates? OR, AND NOT. These basic logic gates are constructed by using this NOR gate. Hence NOR gate is said to be universal gate. So by using two NOR gates, we know the symbol for NOR gates. Here by connecting the two inputs, this is the symbol for NOR gate. We constructing this NOR gate from first we construct the NOT gate. From this NOR gate we construct the NOT gate. So for constructing NOT gate, the two inputs, we know the NOR gate having two inputs. Here the two inputs of NOR gate are connected together. Here the two inputs of the NOR gate are connected to each other. Then we have the output which is nothing but x is equal to as operation by this, we here we considering this as A, then we having as A bar, which is the operation followed by nothing but in NOT gate. In NOT gate the operation which is nothing but followed by whatever the input we considered which is inverted by this NOT gate. So the same operation which is conducted in this connecting by two NOR gates. By connecting two NOR gates, it means the inputs of two NOR gates are connected together. Here we consider the NOR gate and the two inputs of NOR gate are connected with each other. Then we have the operation as NOT gate. So from this NOR gate we construct the NOT gate. Hence NOR gate is said to be universal gate. So next we construct from NOR gate AND gate. From NOR gate we construct AND gate. First we construct OR gate, then we have AND gate. So from this NOR gate we construct this NOR gate. Okay, here by connecting two NOR gates in series, two NOR gates in series A, B. By connecting these NOR gates in series, here we connecting these NOR gates in series in this manner. Here by this operation A, B, we having that which is A, B variables is given to this. Then we have A, B plus bar, A, B bar plus B. So this is given to another. Then we have A plus B whole bar and bar. Ante it means A plus B. Here from this OR gate we have two, by connecting these two NOR gates. By connecting these two NOR gates in series we having this OR gate. So by doing this operation we considering variables 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. We can conclude that from this OR gates or NOR gates are connected in series, we having this OR gate. And also from this NOR gate we construct AND gate also, sorry. From this NOR gate we construct AND gate also. So by constructing this AND gate, here we using three NOR gates. So we know the symbol for NOR gates. So this is first NOR gate. Here we consider the output and inputs as follows. From these NOR gate symbols. So here we consider A variable and B variable. These two are then given to another NOR gate. These two are then giving to another NOR gate. So here X output, which is nothing but here the constructed gate is which is nothing but AND gate. So by this A bar dot B bar whole bar, then we have A dot B. So A dot B, which is nothing but binary multiplication. The binary multiplication process is observed in AND operation only. So from these NOR gates are connected in this manner, we have the AND gate is obtained in this expression. It means here from these NOR gates we can construct AND gate. So from NOR gate we can construct NOT gate and OR gate and this AND gate. It means these three logic gates are constructed by using this NOR gate. Hence NOR gate is said to be universal gate. So I hope you are following this NOR gate, and NOR gate acts as a universal gate. Then we go for next gate, which is NAND gate, which is nothing but NAND gate. In the similar manner of NOR gate, we construct this NAND gate. Here we know AND gate symbol. Here AND gate having two or more inputs. We consider two input AND gate. Here A is input and B is another input for AND gate. From this AND gate, the output which is observed by this AND gate nothing but A dot B. This output which is given to input for NOT gate, then we have the output as A dot B whole bar. So the NAND gate symbol is as follows, nothing but AND followed by NOT, AND gate followed by NOT gate, which is said to be NAND gate, which is said to be NAND gate. So X is equal to output A dot B whole bar, A dot B whole bar, which gives the NAND operation. Here the NAND gate is constructed by this AND gate and NOT gate. Here AND gate followed by NOT gate, we have the NAND gate. So and the circle nothing but the bubble followed by this AND gate, which gives NAND gate. In the similar manner of NOR gate, we construct the NAND gate also. So the switches diagram for NAND gate is nothing but as follows. I hope you are following the symbol for, this is the symbol for NAND gate. I hope you are following this symbol for NAND gate. Then we go for the switches diagram for the NAND gate. So in this also we considered two switches which are nothing but A and B. These two switches are connected to battery also here. So here is a switch A, another B. These two are connected with a battery. And bulb. So we having this A switch and B switch and bulb also in the circuit. So by the switches diagram also this NOR gate can NAND gate can be explained. So in explaining this NAND gate we construct a truth table for NAND gate. So for constructing truth table for NOR gate, NAND gate, we considered as inputs. Here A and B are inputs for this and same we considered in the NOR gate nothing but 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. But the operation nothing but X is equal to, this is a NAND gate, so A dot B whole bar, A dot B whole bar. So for this we considering the cases as follows. So here for the first case nothing but A equal to 0, A equal to 0 and B equal to 0. The binary operation is which is nothing but AND followed by NOT. It means first we have A dot B, A dot B. It means 0 dot 0. 0 dot 0, 0. Here the operation finally is A dot B whole bar 0 bar. So we have the output as 1. So 0 dot 0, 0 bar, the output is which is nothing but 1. So whenever the two switches are here open, here the two switches are open, then current flows in the circuit and bulb is glowing. Here the bulb is glowing. It means whenever the two inputs are in low logic level, it means 0 logic level, the output is in high logic level, which is bulb is glowing, and the switches are in open state. Only here the output is high condition. And next case, case 2, we considering here A is 0 and B is 1. Here A0, B1 means 0 dot 1 we have 0. So 0 dot 1 0 and A dot B whole bar, it means 0 bar. 0 bar means 1. Here the output is 1. And also case 3. In this case 3, here A is 1 and B is 0. I hope you are following. In the previous also we are doing this binary additions. So in NOR gate also we same doing the same type of calculation. This is similar to NOR gate is similar to NAND gate, like this manner the gates. So A dot B, so 1 dot 0, it means 0. So A dot B whole bar, so 1 dot 0 means 0, 0 bar means here also the output is 1. Here is also the output is 1. Here when the case 4, nothing but here A is 1 and B is 1. In two inputs which are in a high logic level, nothing but 1 1. Here the output X is nothing but first A dot B, the output is 1. So here nothing but A dot B whole bar, here 1 bar we have 0. So from this we can conclude that whenever the two switches are closed, it means two switches are closed, AB switches are closed, then automatically the output is low. So whenever the inputs both are in high logic level, we have the output as in low logic state. It means in the circuit we doing the experiment of NAND gate and NOR gate, we are observing that here this NAND gate in fourth case we giving the inputs which is in high logic level, nothing but A is variable 1 and B variable also 1, the output which is nothing but 0, it means the bulb is not glowing. Here in case 1, case 2, case 3 the bulb is glowing, it means it is in high logic level. In case 4 we giving the input 1 1 but the output which is nothing but 0, it means low logic state. So this is about NAND gate. So NAND gate also said to be universal gate, because from these NAND gate also we construct basic gates which are which the basic gates are nothing but AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. So these three gates are constructed by using this NAND gate, hence NAND gate also said to be a universal gate. So first we construct the NOT gate. So for constructing this NOT gate, we using this NAND gate. Here in NAND gate, the two inputs of the NAND gate, here is one input and here is another input. Here these two inputs are connected with each other. It means we considering these two variables as a single variable. If we take it A or B, here the output which is nothing but X is equal to A bar. It means here we giving 0 0 and 0 1 1 0 1 1. Here the inputs are connected together. It takes single value, nothing but if we take it 0, then the output is 1. If we take it 1, the output is 0. It means whatever the input given to the circuit which is inverted, hence the output which is nothing but it is like the NOT gate manner. So this is about NOT gate. Here the NOT gate is constructed from NAND gate, hence it is said to be a universal gate. So next gate is nothing but AND gate. From this NAND gate, here we want to construct AND gate. For constructing AND gate, we use two NAND gates. Here we considering two NAND gates are connected in series. Here AB inputs are giving this NAND gate. Here these two NAND gates are connected in series. These two NAND gates are connected in series. In this manner, if we constructing two NAND gates, here nothing but A dot B whole bar and A dot B whole bar. We having A dot B. From this we construct by two NAND gates in series. We construct the AND gate. In this manner we construct AND gate by using these two NAND gates. If we take variables 0 1 0 0 or 1 0 1 1, then we can prove it the value for AND gate. Hence we can conclude that from NAND gate, AND gate is constructed. And finally we want to construct OR gate from this NAND gate. So OR gate can be constructed from these NAND gates in this manner. Here we consider 3 NAND gates. We considering 3 NAND gates. In this manner, here first NAND gate and second NAND gate. From these two NAND gates, we construct the third NAND gate. Here A, B. Here the output then becomes A plus B bar whole bar. Then we have the output which is nothing but OR, binary addition. So we can conclude that from this NAND gates are constructing in this manner. We can explaining this x is equal to A plus B. This can also explain from De Morgan theorems also. We can discuss it later, the De Morgan's theorems. So x is equal to A plus B, which means the binary addition is followed by 3 NAND gates are constructing in this manner. We got this OR gate. So these topics are very, very important to our examination point. How can you construct this logic gates from universal gates, or how can you construct logic gates from NAND gate or NOR gate? Hence we can conclude that NAND gate and NOR gate are universal gates. So these are universal gates. From these gates we can construct AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate as follows. In this manner we constructing the basic logic gates. I hope you are following this NAND gate and NOR gate. Next we go for the next gate, which is the final gate in this, nothing but exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. The gate is said to be exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. Exclusive OR gate, or which is also said to be XOR gate. This is also important. This gate is used for constructing half adder and other circuits also. So the circuit symbol for exclusive OR gate is as follows. The circuit symbol for exclusive OR gate is as follows. Here the circuit symbol for exclusive OR gate is nothing but as follows. Here in exclusive OR gate also we construct two variables. Here A is one variable and B is another variable. Nothing but these two are considered as inputs, and we getting the output which is nothing but X as A encircled B. Here this is nothing but plus circled. So nothing but encircled plus is encircled. Hence this is said to be X is equal to A encircled B. The operation for this one is nothing but A encircled B means A B bar plus A bar B, which is the operation going here, here. I hope you are following the symbol for exclusive OR gate. It is like NOR gate symbol, but here addition to OR gate, here another curve is present here in this manner, and the same like OR gate, the circuit symbol for exclusive OR gate or XOR gate is as follows. Here the operation which is done by this exclusive OR gate is nothing but X is equal to A encircled B, nothing but A B bar plus A bar B. This operation is done here. So the truth table for exclusive OR gate, which is nothing but XOR gate is as follows. Here for explaining this also in 4 cases, nothing but the binary numbers 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. We write down the final result here. First we are doing the mathematical calculations here. A encircled B. We write this after the 4 cases which are A encircled B, nothing but A B bar plus A bar B. After doing that 4 cases, we write down the final result for truth table. So for this, first we follow the 4 cases. Here the circuit diagram for exclusive OR gate is nothing but, here we considering NOT gate and also AND gate and also OR gate by using 3 gates. What are the 3 gates? Here we are using AND gate and also we using OR gate and also we using NOT gate. By using 3 gates we construct the XOR gate circuit. The XOR gate circuit X is equal to A encircle B. So in this manner we considering A and B, 2 variables. A and B, 2 variables. From these variables, so here we want this A, so we take it here, this A variable to this gate AND gate, and also this B is from, by constructing like this. So here A B variables, so A from this gate and B to this AND gate, so not inversion, so A bar we have and B bar we have, then we have A bar here, A bar B. So A bar B operation is doing here. Here is nothing but B bar A. So our result is A encircled B means A bar B plus B bar A. So we have the result of A encircled B. This is a very important circuit diagram for this. I hope you are following. We consider here 2 NOT gates, 2 AND gates and single OR gate. By constructing this manner, we have this exclusive OR gate symbol. So we next explaining the 4 cases which are considered in our truth table, which is nothing but A 0 0, A0 and B0 and A0 B1 and third case A1 B0 and fourth case which is nothing but A1 and B1. First we discuss about the first case, case 1 here A0 and B0. So this is exclusive operation here, nothing but A encircled B. For doing this, here A B bar plus B bar A. So we considering A as 0, so 0, B as 0, 0 bar, nothing but 0 bar plus B bar 0 bar and A 0. So we know 0 bar 1 and also 0 bar 1, but 0 into 1 plus 1 into 0. So finally the output is nothing but 0. The output is nothing but 0. Okay, in case 1 we getting the output nothing but x is equal to 0. We finally write down in the truth table. So in case 2, here A as considering 0 and B as considering 1. Here the variable A is considering 0 and B is considering 1. So here the operation is A encircled B. So we know A0 0, B1 1 bar plus here B bar 1 bar and also A nothing but 0. It means 0 dot 1 bar. I hope this is right. Here is sorry, A B bar plus same also these are getting A B bar. So A bar B, A bar B. So here is same, the inputs A0 and B0, then the output is which is nothing but 0 bar dot 0, 0 bar dot 0. So these are zeros, so no problem. Here in this case this is 0 dot 1 bar having the output as 0, but here which is nothing but 1 b bar, a bar which is nothing but 0 bar, and b is 1. So 0 bar means we know 1 dot 1. So the result is 1. So in case 2, a is 0 and b is 1, a b bar plus a bar b. So we have the output as 1. And case 3, I confused, just sorry, a as 1 and b as 0. So here we take the variable as a is 1 and b is 0. Then we have a encircled b for this case 3, which is nothing but a b bar. So a is 1 and b bar, which is nothing but considered as 0 bar. Here in a bar it means 1 bar. A bar means 1 bar dot 0. So here we have this 0 bar means nothing but 1 dot 1 plus this is 1 0 0 dot 0 0. So 1 plus 0, then we have also 1. In case 4 we have a as 1 and b as 1. So for explaining this case, a encircled b in case 4, are you understanding this? So here a as 1, so here a b bar means 1 dot 1 bar plus and also 1 bar dot 1. So here is a 0, here is 0. 1 bar means 0, 1 bar means 0. 1 dot 0 plus 0 dot 1. So then the final result is 0. So in this case we have 0, 1, 1, 0 as the output for exclusive OR gate. In exclusive OR gate, in 4 cases we have the output for 0, 0, a and b, two variables in low logic state. We have the output in observing the experiment get x. It means as in 2 inputs are in low logic state, the output which is in low logic level. Here and second case and fourth case, in both 2 cases here one of the input is in low and another one is high. So here is in low state, here is in high state, a and b. Here also the output is high, here bulb is glowing, and a is 1 and b is 0, the output is 1. Here finally 1 dot 1, here both the inputs are high, here both the inputs are low. In these 2 cases we have the output as in low logic state, which is nothing but the bulb is not glowing in this case. From these expressions we conclude that in exclusive OR gate, by considering one of the input is low only, the output is high. This is about exclusive OR gate. By this exclusive OR gate we can construct a half adder and remaining logical circuits also. This half adder is used. This exclusive OR gate is used. This is about exclusive OR gate. So in this class we discussed about NAND gate, NOR gate, and NAND gate acting as universal gate and NOR gate acting as universal gate, and also exclusive OR gate. From these gates, here in our syllabus, gates topics are completed about logic gates, explaining in the morning session. Okay. In the next session we discussed about the remaining theorems in Boolean algebra, nothing but De Morgan theorems and half adder and full adder remaining topics. I hope you are following this topic in this session. Okay, thank you.